Once upon a time, a man is deeply disturbed by cable spaghetti on his desk and LED light bars lying around and shaky magic arms. He tried meditation to relieve stress, but it did not work. So he decided to fix the mess permanently.
I've been staring at this workspace, same old weary gray. Coffee rings and scattered cables, nothing here can light my day. But I found a little something, a twisted coloring line. Peel it back, stick it down, watch this whole world start to shine. Now the shadows melt away, and the mood begins to sway. Oh, RGB, light stripped to my desk. Let the colors dance around me, make the ordinary flex. From the blues to the reds to the greens in between. Yeah, it's magic in the glow, like a low-key dream. Flip the switch, take a breath. My whole setup's looking fair. Stripped to my desk, and the world feels brighter, better. Yeah, time to take a rest. Let the colors run forever, let the whole room gleam. Now I'm working, dreaming, living in a color scheme. There's no regret scheme. Let's go up the best one day.
The sun goes down, the screen light glows. Another hour in a sedentary pose. Caffeine wears off, the focus blurs. Just me in the office humming, and all of it's worse. But I got a plan, a little piece of wine, a spark of hope for when my legs feel tired. 'Cause I'm gonna light up this climb, one color at a time. When I press the button, stand, it's a rainbow at command. From the feet to the frame, a neon bright design. Yeah, I'm meant to run. the same old view, a blank white wall in a muted hue. Now a strip of blue for the deep thinking phase, a pulse of the red for the writing's fiery blaze, a calming green when the emails start to swarm. My little electric storm, keeping me safe and warm. It's more than a light, it's a signal to my brain, a ritual that helps me shape the mental rain. From sitting still to reaching for the sky, with every inch I gain I see the reason why. I wired this joy to the steel's embrace. It turns a simple function to a sacred space. 'Cause I lit up this cloud, one color at a time. I press the button, stand. It's a rainbow recommend. Feet to the flame, a neon bright design. The island to rise. It feels like mine. Live to rise. My own stellar sign. Up it goes. Soft electric hum. Blowing line. Where the ideas come. A standing dream. In a pencil stream. Live to rise. Live to rise. Live to rise. Yeah.
The work is done. At last, file saved. Article. Just because.
Plug it in, the future glows. Color shifting, the rhythm flows. Desk becomes a cosmic stage. Waves of light break from the cage. Every hue a memory, painting nights in circuitry. I reach out, the spectrum bends. This neon dream will never end. Light strip burning, synthwave turning. Shadows fade in neon yearning. RGB across my space. Retro pulse I can't replace. Cables run, the past rewinds. Pixel skies inside my mind. My magenta side, violet streams. Living inside arcade dreams. Every glow, a heartbeat true. That's transformed in shades of blue. I ride the wave, I chase the spark. Electric dawn inside the dark.
Yeah!
Light strip burning,